Hey Mike, can you bring me a bat please?
Why do you need a bat?
I want to play.
What game can you play with this creature?
No Mike, I need a baseball bat.
Oh, that one.
There are many words in English language that sound or spelled the same way. Today we are going to talk about bats, not the animals, swimsuits, and other stuff a person might need to start his sports training. 1. Climbing rope. 2. Helmet. 3. Clubs. 4. Bat. 5. Racket. 6. Ice skates. 7. Stick. 8. Scuba mask and snorkel. 9. Swimsuit. 10. Glove. 11. Football boots. 12. Skis. There are also some question words in the English language. These words are used to form questions. Let's have a look at these words. 1. Who? Who discovered America? 2. Whose? Whose purse is there on the table? 3. What? What's your name? 4. Where? Where do you live? 5. Why? Why are you so shy? Each language has words which meanings are quite common. Usually, you should know what word is used in this particular situation to say something correctly. Here are some of these words. Pitch, rugby, cricket, football, baseball. Rink, hockey, ice skating. Court, tennis, badminton, squash. Course, golf. And here are some more words with similar meaning. Win, a game, a competition, a medal, a prize. Beat, an opponent, a problem, a record. Gain, an advantage, a support, an ability, time, speed. There are also some words that are used when we have to deal with the alternatives. These words are both, and, either, or, neither, nor. We use both when we want to unite two options. For example, I like both car and plane. Either is used when we need to choose between two options. For example, I might go either by car or by plane. Neither is used when we don't like any of the options. For example, I like neither car nor plane when it comes to traveling. I prefer trains.